Hello Makanku lovers! Let's unboxing Makanku Mandhi rice lamp. First, open the package. Take out all the things inside. You will find sambal, rice, side dish, spoon, and heating pad. Put half of the rice into the bowl. Then put side dish on it. And put the rest of the rice on it. Pour water into the box up to given limit. Put the heating pad and put the bowl into the box. Wait for 15 minutes. After that, open the box. Put the sambal on it. This is it! Makanku Mandhi rice lamp ready to serve.